Because it's easier if I study, kind of analyze and then come. आज क्या तारीख है? 23rd. Okay, we can go to our
23rd or 24th है आज?
23rd.
23rd है कि 24th?
24th, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. I'm still living in the past.
Because this morning when I read Sadhguru's
You're
this thing,
right.
na, it was 24th.
You're right. Okay, let's do
What
Shanti
page is
Path.
it?
Shanti Path पहले करें?
What page is it?
Oh, why am I looking at this book? But I wanted to read a paragraph from this book, and there's a whole reason for it.
What
And
page was it?
Which page?
Well, but I thought we were going to do the
First, let's finish that.
the puja, the introduction.
शांति पाठ नहीं
Which one now?
Introduction, I think it's
Shanti
Introduction
Path.
तो ठीक है.
Yeah.
Om Bhadram.
10, 11, 12.
12.
From the beginning
Yeah.
is the introduction.
Yes.
Bhadram,
Yeah.
Karmen.
Om Bhadram Karnevi Shruniyam Devaha.
Om
भद्रं
Bhadram
कर्णे विशर्म्याय देवाः
Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiryajtraः.
भद्रं पार्श्वे मातृवेदः
स्थिरैरङ्गे सुष्ठुभागं सस्तनूभिः. स्थिरैरङ्गे सुष्ठुभागं सस्तनूभिः. व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः.
यशेम
देवहितं यदायुः. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृषशवाः. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृषशवाः. स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः.
तस्मिन् पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नक्षत्र्यो अरिष्टनेमिः.
तस्मिन् साक्षर्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्.
O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see always what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life, hale and hearty, offering our praises unto Thee. May Indra, the ancient and the famous, Pushan, Sun, and the all-knowing, the Lord of swift motion Vayu, who saves us from all harms, and Brihaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow the teachings. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
See, here we were discussing about that give us the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures.
Right.
Because वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. Because अगर हम हर बात में हम लोग doubt करेंगे, और
Yeah.
then we cannot move forward.
Right.
You know,
Which is
and the heroic heart to follow.
Huh.
92.
Because that's another thing we discussed, right? That
92.
okay, now we have learned. Now it's time to go practice. So what I wanted to do was, you guys did one shloka about the dream world when it says the oo part, right? That's
Yeah.
what you guys did last time. So we'll just kind of. Do you want to read the whole thing again, or we just go summarize it? Whatever you guys want to do.
You can summarize it since they've done it.
What page is it?
92.
मैं बताती हूँ.
92.
92 on ours. 11th shlok.
No, we have to first summarize the shloka number 10, because that's what you guys did last time. Right? Swapnavastha, Ukaro. That's what when I heard you guys, your discussion, that's what you went after. Where it says that they just, U has common thing because it's between A and A and Ma, and Swapnavastha comes in between deep sleep and Jagrat. So it's an in-between state. Right? That's what you guys discussed. And it said that in the shloka it says that this is superior. And there was a little confusion about why superior, because that doubt will always come there. Jagrat Avastha should be superior. Why is he saying superior? Right? So there was some discussion in your last class about that. And then it tells you the benefit of what is going to happen if you concentrate on U. Correct?
Right.
So now, here Swamiji said it very clearly in the beginning when he started this whole thing, that it is superimposition of this Jagrat Avastha. It's not like an absolute thing, but he's giving you an aid for meditation. So it's like सगुण ब्रह्म बोलते हैं ना जिसको, एक होता है निर्गुण,
हाँ सगुण,
एक तो अभी
मतलब
निर्गुण
वो
तो हम लोग को
attribute
मालूम
के
है
साथ
कि
है।
हाँ एक है, हमको मालूम है कि अल्टीमेटली वो निर्गुण ब्रह्म,
Right.
लेकिन because we are in body consciousness, because we are in mind consciousness, human beings cannot meditate upon a nirgun brahma. Even the greatest of saints sometimes take the help of sagun brahma to keep us
Right.
on the path. Does everybody connect to that part?
Right.
So he's here, they have coined this word Om as a
Right.
symbol of that Brahman.
Right.
And now he's telling you, his goal is, whoever coined this, the Rishis, Munis, you sit and meditate upon it. But human mind is not going to, why should I do it? First, tell me the benefits, come on. It's like telling a small child, you go to school, he said, I don't want to go. You say, no, if you go there, you're going to get this and you're going to get that, because you know that in the end, if he does, he will get it. Like, oh, one day you will have a job, then you can buy these toys and you can have a home and you can have a wife or whatever. They're not lying, are they? So they are giving you some carrots in front of you. So these rishis are giving us carrots. If you concentrate on this oo,
Yeah.
what will you get? And they are not entirely lying, because he's saying that if you actually sit and meditate and concentrate your mind and meditate upon the higher, you are going to become that.
Right.
So I wanted to put this context correctly, because that's what Chinmayananji does. He puts the right context in everything. Because otherwise you're like, hey, this is superior. Why is he saying that? You know? And then somewhere explanation I read that it says that it is superior because it is an internal world. Because we know that subconscious mind and all that, so much is there in it, right? And it is more powerful. We think that the Jagrut Avastha is everything, but we know that mind is everything. If the mind is not connected with the Jagrat Avastha, hokar bhi nahi hoga wo, right? If somebody comes in this room and I'm absorbed in my book, I'm not going to even see them. But my internal world is a lot more powerful. So that's why he called it superior. Does that clarify a little bit why he's
Yeah.
doing all that?
Yeah.
Actually, when you meditate, then only you get that feeling of oneness.
Yes.
नहीं तो उसके
First
पहले
you have
कैसे
to
होएगा?
know, you have to know, so that's why
हाँ.
they call it, no, there are
धीरे
three
धीरे
words.
धीरे धीरे करते
हाँ.
करते
That first you
will
listen,
feel.
then you remove all your doubts, that's mananam. And the third is nididhyasan, means sit down and try to think that that thing is real and experience. Experience comes because when you meditate upon it, like you say. Even in the worldly thing, if some engineer wants to solve some problem, first he will study the problem, then he will sit down and think about it, then the solution comes to him. It's not going to come drop from the sky just like that. You know, so that's a physical world, maybe yahi hota hai. So spiritual world is not different. It's more intense, but the process is the same. You know, so and then he's just saying that they use this dream state, and it's a superior and in between the two. That's why O is in between the two. And the benefits, he said, is he who knows thus heightens to a superior knowledge and becomes equal to all and finds no one in his line of descendants who is not a knower of Brahman. So Swamiji gave a very interesting thing. He said that it's something like if somebody is a doctor, he wants his son to become a doctor too. तो बोला हाँ भाई अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे तो सारे तुम्हारे कुल के लोग भी बहुत educated हो जाएंगे. And then I know one thing, if one person goes in the spiritual path and his life changes for the better, others want to do it in the family. Do you
Yeah.
agree?
They see the
They see
some want to do it and some उनका टाइम ही नहीं आया.
आया नहीं तो नहीं आएगा तो बाद में आता है.
टाइम नहीं आया तो ठीक है.
बाद
तो
में आता है.
जब
Because I
time
see
आएगा
my
तो
own
ठीक है.
family, you know, like we are 5 of us, like 3 of us were like in different paths, but we were doing some spiritual stuff. And finally one of my brother is watching the Swamiji's Bhagavad Gita. He was as Nastic as he could be. He used to just laugh at all these things. And now he's there watching it. You know? And it took a while because time नहीं आया था. मैंने उसको गीता दी थी almost 10 साल पहले, right? And because I felt so, connected, so I wrote on it that, this has changed my life, I hope it does yours. So, oh, it's too difficult, man, I don't know, he just left it somewhere. Then one day his wife says, one American friend of his said that you should read Bhagavad Gita because, it's so good. So now he's getting interested in it. So I said, maybe you should watch the DVD. Because sometimes it's hard to pick up a book, but Swamiji, he's very jovial the way he says. A lot of engineers and doctors connect to him, in Engineer Mission. So she said, she kept telling me, can you get for me? And somehow it was not happening, because time had not come. Then they came to our house, a few months ago, and I told her, why don't you just take my copy? Forget about me trying to get another one. And, you take that, but I don't know where it is because we just unloaded everything. But it looks like a red and it is a box. And I think my husband has put the spiritual stuff here. So maybe it is one of these because he has the shelves, right? And then she said, I think it is that one. And then she picked it up. Then they go and they say, oh, DVD doesn't work. Because this is like thoda purana style and that one maybe. And so, 2-3 months it didn't happen. Finally, she told me they were watching it.
So when the time came. So when people are born in family, they are born because of their previous life, that where they want to do what they want to do. So in a spiritual family, they feel they have more chance if they were for spiritual growth. So like Aurobindo said that when you die, based on your karmas and your desires, you get to see all these lights blinking, and these are the positions open, and that's why the baby comes.
Right. So here, a
So-
slightly
so-
different angle they have taken. They have taken that if somebody does a self-effort to go on a spiritual path and succeeds to a certain extent, and other members see the benefit, they get inspired to do the same. And they may have their own karma, but this is one angle
Yeah.
to look at it.
Right.
And I know that when I watched that Buddha series, Buddha ki wife became his devotee.
Right.
His mother became his devotee, and I think he's one of the cousins or somebody. And there was one guy who was trying to kill him. Remember his other cousin or something?
Right.
Finally, he also turned around and became his devotee before he died. So, and then lot of times, like we see that self-realized saints, they leave everything and go, but somewhere along the line, their families join them.
Right.
So we have seen that happening, definitely. Anything we need to discuss or question, or should we move forward to our?
Yeah. Move on.
What happened to Neha? She must have held somewhere.
She may have sent message, but I cannot. I'm
Okay.
recording, so
It's okay.
unless somebody else has.
She's
phone.
She
going
has not-
away also.
Check
na,
on
Oh,
after 2
hi
days.
Uma, sorry.
So,
She just said hi Uma, sorry.
Acha.
Oh, so
So
she
something
said.
must have come up
Yeah,
urgently.
obviously.
And they have only one car, so if Satyan has to go somewhere, then.
I will not be able to make it today. Yes.
Yeah,
Sometimes he
she's
has
not.
to go for
Yeah, she
doctor's
does take
appointment.
it at 11:20.
Yeah, she does.
She sends
So
it.
I'm sure
yeah,
that
I'm
either
not able to
Satyan
make
के
it
लिए
today.
या car के लिए I'm going to tell her next time she can tell me and I can pick
No,
her up.
even I looked at my phone just before coming.
Oh, just one.
Yeah, because from last night I was thinking that, Sneh might have a problem for the car. So then I looked in the morning before leaving also.
So this is what we'll tell her. If it was something else, obviously we cannot help. But if it's just the ride, then one of
Yeah.
me or you can give her the ride. That's fine. We'll let her know that.
Because she's leaving so soon, so there are a lot of things
Huh.
going on,
Oh yes, yes. yes.
Especially Satyan's medical
She's going to India on
things, lot of
30th
things
of October.
come up last minute.
Oh yeah, I know how it is. So that's fine. But I think that your recording helps a lot because then
Good.
if whoever wants to catch up can catch up.
I know, that's the idea.
That's the whole idea. Okay, so
Can we make it public then?
Hmm?
So the world can be heard, not
I
just
mean,
her.
I personally have no problem. We are not doing anything. We are doing something for self growth, and if somebody
Maybe
wants to-
later, when we retire.
yeah, it's okay. Right now, for our purposes.
No, because it's very useful the way she explains Gita as well as this, so it's really.
And the thing, because we're doing both together, I'm adding.
Somehow I got that
Yeah.
inspiration that is
Yeah.
better because
Yes.
Gita is
Because then,
meant for like everyday use.
Everything is condensed in the Gita, and over here, then you get
You
more,
can connect.
You can connect
Yes,
the whole
yes,
thing.
exactly. So anybody would like to? I think
Shirish,
Shirish, you can do
Yeah.
this.
I can read.
From where?
Sanskrit.
Yeah, you can.
Susuk-
मेरा गला अभी भी बहुत-
हाँ, कोई
कहाँ
बात
से?
नहीं।
कौन
She
सा
can
ये
read
है?
Sanskrit.
सुषुप्त नहीं वो मैंने अभी समराइज कर दिया वो स्वप्न का अभी सुषुप्ति में जा रहे हैं
93.
Son 92.
ये जो हिंदी
Manju,
और
you want
English-
to do it or you want me to do?
Oh, he's asking.
You want to do, you want me to?
No, the Sanskrit you do.
So,
Sanskrit.
which one? Sushupti
Yeah,
Sthan.
सुषुप्त स्थान
Sushupti Sthana.
सुषुप्त स्थान
Yeah. Actually, I know that Hindi that much and Sanskrit, but
That's okay.
it's
we
a
are just-
tough word. Deep sleep state of experience. Pragya, Prajna. Makar, Tritiya Matra, M, is the third letter, Mite, being a measurement of, or the state of dissolution. He knows this identity indeed, all this being the cause of the world, and becomes
अरे
the
you,
one.
you did not do the Sanskrit words.
Also, I have to say every word and then.
Yeah, है ना दिया हुआ तो है पूरा ना clearly वा आपिते है
Yeah, va apite,
Or
or the state of dissolution. Minoti va vahava, he
Hova.
knows this identity indeed. Idam sarvam, all this. Apiti, being the cause of the world. Cha bhavati, and becomes. Ya, the one who evam does, Ved meditates knows.
Now you can say the whole sentence.
Okay. Prajna, whose sphere of activity is the deep sleep state, is M, Ma. The third letter of Om, because it is both the measure and also the wherein all becomes one. One who knows this identity of Prajna and M is able to know the real nature of things and begins
And beings.
and beings, and also come to realize as being the self of all. The identification of the M, Ma sound in Om, and the sleeper must be quite evident for a student who has followed closely the discussions upon the two mantras,
Last two mantras. Yeah.
upon the two mantras.
Okay, it's okay.
Here are the Upanishads gives us two common features that exist between the letter Ma, M, Ma, and the sleeper. The word miti in Sanskrit means measure. A measure like an ounce glass is used to measure a given quantity of fluid, and this measuring is done generally by filling the ounce glass from the unmeasured quantity and emptying it into the measured. Okay. In this process of measuring from the standpoint of measuring glass, the fluid comes out to fill in and the content of glass is again emptied out. Similarly, the sound M in Om and the deep sleep state of consciousness in life can both be compared to the measuring glass. The idea is this: in pronouncing the sound Om, a letter A and U merge themselves into the last sound M. And again, when we chant the sound Om out of Ma, the sound of A and U seem to rise up. Similarly, in the deep sleep state of consciousness, both the waking and the dream state experience seem to fold themselves into the mass of homogeneous awareness. And on waking up out of this undifferentiated mass of consciousness, that sleep state, the waking and the dream state seem to emerge out. It is in this respect that we have here both Ma and the deep sleep state compared to the measuring glass. You want me to?
Let's clear. Just make sure that we understand this.
Right.
So he's saying that in the verse he's talking about that it's both measure wherein all become one. So what he's saying is that measure is, if I want to measure something, I pour from here, measure it, then I pour out. So the same way, the deep sleep state seems to be that the deep sleep is merging in it. Sorry, the swapna state is first merges in it, and then when you wake up, it's connected to the waking world on this side. You see that how?
Right.
So as though the consciousness is flowing through it.
Right.
So that's what it's saying, measure.
It's like clearing your day.
Yeah.
Like that Sahaj Yoga, every day they sit down and then they say, what happened today? And then they clear their mind of that.
I think
So
we need to reset our mind.
next
That's
day
what
they-
sleep does.
Next day they start again.
Yeah. Like our computer, if we after a while it start malfunctioning until we restart it, right? That's the first thing they tell you to do.
Then erase the.
It's just like giving a mind shutdown. Mind has to shut, and we know. Like my son told me, "Oh, mom, I didn't sleep all night, and he had to catch a flight this morning. I don't know if I can make it." One day of not sleeping can make you like create havoc in your
Right.
life. So you need that to
So you
shut
have to
the
get
mind
reset. To
down. Mind
start
को
again.
बंद करना पड़ेगा.
So is it called Sahaj Yoga?
It's called Sahaj Yoga, where
Sahaj.
every day people sit down and they meditate in the sense that what did they do all day? And then they meditate on that. And next day they start fresh.
So that's what part of.
That's why it's called
मतलब वो
Sahaj.
दिन अर्पण करके
I think
सारा new.
That's called Sahaj. Sahaj means simple yoga.
But here he's mainly talking about the deep sleep. We know
Yeah,
that,
I know,
right?
but point is that
And even Yoga Nidra, they call it.
Yeah.
Because Yoga Nidra, mein you are achieving the same thing, but if people who are very good in Yoga Nidra, they can shut their mind and still be awake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
योग निद्रा में
And
वो
yeah,
तीन
exactly. You are a yoga
levels
teacher,
होता
so
है.
exactly.
that you have to.
actually, if you are in real meditation, you are awake all the time. And
You are.
Yeah,
So
because you can't sleep.
Like
Sleeping
when
is in the
I'm
body.
driving, I'm totally in yoga
Sleeping is in the
meditation
body.
because my wife is telling me where to go. So she says, "Didn't you see that?" And I don't see that.
But
So-
then driving it can be dangerous if you
Yeah.
don't see
No,
it.
because she is sitting
Because you have
next
to
to
be
me.
fully
That's-
aware.
She can.
In
driver is
meditation, you're
responsible.
fully aware, but you're aware at a different level.
I know, that's right.
So
It's happening on
you're
automatic.
fully aware.
And they have given us different techniques because they
Yeah.
say be in present. When you're in present, your mind is relaxed.
Right.
Whenever you're thinking of the past and future, and that's when the havoc starts.
No,
Okay,
because I
no.
went on yesterday, I went to drop Nina to Irvine because she didn't want to take the train, she was so weak. So then I went to this monastery they have, Trabuco Monastery of Vedanta Society, and they have a meditation room of Ramakrishna, which I think if you all have not gone, you must go. I have never
That's,
seen any room with that much vibrations in it,
Where is it?
It's in Trabuco Monastery.
Yeah, give me the address. I would
Yeah.
like to go one day.
And-
Which area?
It opens
Let's
at
go
3
with
o'clock,
you.
3 to 5
Experience it.
o'clock.
Which area?
Trabuco in Mission View.
Mission Gate.
How far is it from here? How many hours?
About
Mission View is
50
not-
miles, 40
It's
miles.
not much.
Let's
45.
do one day. One
हाँ,
day we do it.
Yeah.
Mission View.
45
This is the
minutes.
southern Orange
45 में एक घंटा
Yeah,
लग
it's
जाएगा.
El Toro, it's near El Toro.
Okay, we'll do one day a field
Mission
trip.
View is not
So
so
I
far.
went there and I tell
Oh
you,
yeah, just by you
was
saying I'm
so-
feeling so great.
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't believe, although I had gone there for a purpose and it got solved. But then I came out and this guy was sitting next to me and he was so scared because I was driving in that mode. And so he told Nina, he said, you should never drive with Joe.
I'm glad you gave the warning.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, but this is real.
So anyway, suppose समझ में आ गया, right? The measure is pretty simple.
Yeah,
What you-
right.
Okay, now you can finish it off if you want.
Okay.
The days of the Veda.
The other common feature between one thing interesting I thought of that Sivananji wrote in that dream thing I sent you,
Oh.
that the Jagrat state is just one long dream.
Of course.
Which I think
we
that-
have studied that, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So
That's why they bunch the sleep and the Jagrat Avastha